What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with another video, and as you can tell behind me, we are at a storage locker. We spent about $5,000 after fees on this 10x6. You heard me right, a 10x6. We spent $5,000 on. A couple of the key reasons, there's dust, as you can tell, look at that. There's a lot of dust there. Some old PlayStation consoles. I think this is like an old Nintendo console he saw.
I don't think it's sealed.
I don't know though.
That's like packing. That's not
okay,
sealed.
okay.
It's not sealed. If we open it up and it's okay, it's not brand new.
That's actually very clean though, Dad.
Are you gonna play it?
I mean, probably not ever gonna touch it, but it's cool to have a vintage console in the box like this. What is this? It's a game
synthesis module.
What?
Yeah, buddy.
I'm pretty sure I saw like $300 sales, but I need to look it up again. Look, we got some records in the front. I mean, the records probably aren't in the best condition. Obviously, there's been some dust on them.
I'll show you what I know. All this right here, the rest of this you're seeing inside this box, crap.
Well, how would you sell it? You just
I would take it to the
away?
flea market and I would probably give it to the dumps guys. Now, if we see something different than this classical, or we find a great classical, but this is very common. I don't even see nothing.
What makes this $5? The condition?
It's Phantom of the Opera.
Pretty good condition as well. Boom, boom, boom.
Ah, yes.
What?
It's a little dilapidated. Hey, that's better than a sharp stick in the eye, Michael.
Shredder?
That's Splinter. Or yeah, Shredder.
Wow, he said Splinter. I think this is one of the Turtles' like weapons though.
What's on the bottom?
What year?
No.
Oh my bad.
Does this come out?
Oh.
Oh, Casey.
Mike, I was gonna test him.
Look at, what is this? Oh.
Why did you break my...
Yeah, bro, he's like...
Did you just break all?
No, you can put it back in. I'm just trying to see the year though. 1989. That's pretty old.
That's got to be over $100.
It's gonna be $5,000
We're making
right there.
our way back to 5 bands.
This PlayStation, obviously we see in the front. It feels very light. It has to be empty, y'all. This definitely is empty. Doesn't mean the console can't be in here, but yeah, it's just a box. These boxes are all so nasty, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Bunch of like older looking toys. They look like a McDonald's toy for some reason.
Oh, look at that. Come on.
Optimus Prime.
It's not the oldest one, but that's still pretty tight. I thought it when I saw that, I was like Optimus Prime. Oh yeah, 1992. This might be for Rodimus Prime, huh? Because of the black one. That's a Porsche 911.
It looks like Happy Meals toys, just random different toys in bags. Probably around the 90s, I'm assuming, early 2000s on all of these.
Ninja Turtle.
What is this?
That's a good piece. That's a good piece.
The pirate said these aren't like super fancy, even though I thought it'd be worth something, right? 1988, 1989. That's getting old now, but I guess they're not really worth much. More toys. Look at that. This person definitely likes their older toys. I'm assuming this unit is gonna be full of a bunch of 90s and 80s toys.
Look at that. That's
What is that?
Oh, look at those figures,
What?
Michael.
Oh my God, Dad.
You don't even know.
I don't. Tell me.
Pay attention, because some of these figures are worth money. He looks like he's been hitting that wacky tobacco. Look at his eyes there. It's important to see how there's die cast here. See how there's metal? That's when you know that they're better on the Transformers. I'm gonna guess 89, 90.
How much is that, like 40 bucks?
Well, it depends. Do we find all the weapons?
Oh, okay.
All this is money right here, guys. What are these?
What? Is this is this for racing?
Oh, I thought they were for like throwing at each other.
What are these? Mark T. We think pretty much they're gonna be toys for the Mark T. Nothing like too crazy to point out in this toy box. Just some random toys. Nothing like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, G.I. Joe.
Michael, hey, look at that. You want these magazines? I'm gonna tell you if they're censored or not.
Those are not censored.
Those are not censored.
Those are not censored. Vintage Tonka. How much is this?
Like 30, 40 bucks.
Easy 30, 40 bucks.
It's made by Liberty House, and in the right market, that could be $100.
Dang, really?
Yeah.
Wait, we got. I think this might honestly be a whole box of those type of dresses. It look like. It is. Yep, it is.
Thank the universe we're getting something.
A whole box of these. Dang. This literally is a whole box of them, just different designs. That's pretty cool. He said we might be able to get $100 for one of them, and that I'm assuming is like its top price. And there's like more than 10 in here. That's upwards of $1,000. But
that is actually a little bit of bucks. It's in the box.
But that means there should be an NES in here. Whoa, wait a minute.
I remember when I got this. Oh,
hey.
Yeah. Oh, this was the business right here.
Wait, that actually might be really good, Dad. I mean, I don't know anything about these whatsoever, but if you have like a rare one right here, these are very not super clean, but to have this box with like the manual must be sort of rare, I feel like. This definitely is a T-box. Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. This has to be one of the earliest Power Ranger toys. G.I. Joe plates. We're getting some G.I. Joe finally. Box says T. What is in there? Oh, okay, this time it lied to us. Got us this time. That is not toys. The box says keep video games. Come on, come on.
Oh, dang.
That's not bad.
Oh.
That's definitely not bad.
Ooh, that's super off-road. I used to kick butt on that one. Ooh, look at this. Tiger Healy.
This is Zelda, yep.
Ooh,
Zelda.
And this is Zelda too.
Oh, whoa, wait a minute. I've never seen that one. Adventure Island. Dino Riki.
Mega Man
Mega
3.
Man's a good one.
That's a good one. I used to love Mega Man.
Mega
I
Man's
rocked
a
it,
good
though.
one.
Oh, it's not super rare, but that was a fun game. I used to love that game. Mario
Okay.
Brothers.
Came with all of them.
Shout out to Jeremy for keeping your games.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Super
What else
Nintendo
might be in
controller.
here?
Super Nintendo controller. That's an NES. What? These are good though too as well, Dad. A lot of these are 10 bucks a piece. Depending if these are these Nintendo Power? I think so, yeah.
It says jewelry and stationery. What do you think it is? All right, we got jewelry.
Something.
Oh, thank you, baby Jeebus. Let's be some type of good jewelry now. We're halfway there. Sarah Cove, 92nd best thing. Okay, we have this like what looks like Bakelite. All right, that's better than a sharp stick in the eye, right?
Is that gold bracelet? Necklace?
No, but it's nice. It's costume with glass beads. Hey, what are you doing with that? What is this? A leather cootie catcher?
All right.
I thought it was a cootie catcher. You know what I'm talking about? You guys don't know about cootie catchers before your time. Nothing. Come on, where's some gold at? Give us a little bit of gold. That's a seashell from Sally. Come on, just a little gold. Just a little something, something.
Macy's. Heavy sterling?
It is sterling. A little dinosaur there. At least we got costume. I'm not gonna be mad. I wish we were getting some gold, but at least there's costume. It got kind of sad real quick, right? That's better than nothing, though. You know, like can't be mad.
Put it in there. See, look at that. We found a safe actually. There's something in there. He definitely liked his Transformers, to say at least. He had a bunch of little vintage Transformer toys from the 80s and 90s. Another box of clothes. Resort Line Hawaii. Scarlet. A bunch of nice little dresses. Okay, she got like 3 of the same color dress. All right, we made it inside the safe, and all he had was a stack of hockey cards. I was hoping there's some more stuff in the safe, but it's literally just these hockey cards. There's a Wayne Gretzky, I guess, there. And that unit is all wrapped up. We moved it all into the box truck now. This is the whole unit right there. The 6x10 was pretty small, obviously. We are back at the warehouse now. We have sold off that complete unit. We gotta keep one game. Look at that. We gotta keep Dr. Mario. It's in pretty clean condition. That's really why I kept it. It's super clean, as you can tell. And this is the character we like to use in Super Smash Bros. A bunch, so I thought that was pretty cool. So I guess we pretty much broke even. I guess we spent $5,000 when we just about made $5,000. That's not like the best of the storage business. Obviously, we want to make money. But he said several times that he would gamble.
I would buy that unit another 100 times this year.
Every time he would buy that unit. Every
Win or
time.
lose.
Just because of the way it looked. But dust is the main thing. He loves seeing a bunch of dust on stuff. That's one of his favorite things.
And that don't mean I recommend people to follow my lead. Because you also see I lose just as often as I win. Wait till his next video and you'll see how fast we made up for it and 10 times more.
Literally the same day we picked up another unit and it was like 10 times better. We spent $2,000 for it and we probably got like 20 times X in profit. I'm just saying, like, without selling anything. If you made it this far, let me know by putting a heart in the comments. We like seeing who made it this far. Peace out.